No, drop down right here. Drop straight down.
Targets are up. Get to work.
Honey, you're getting shot at. There's one. Oh my god, there's a team right on us. Really? You're about to get me fucking killed.
I'm gonna run these homos over. There's one! Stay safe, honey. Ah, I got the other one. Where you at?
I ran into a house, so I didn't get fucking shellacked.
That objective you guys marked is gone anyway, I think.
They all dead?
No, this one's still
Safe.
floating around. I'm just driving around to being a faggot. Oh, it's another vehicle. Oh shit.
Mercy.
Help, hun. Help.
What the fuck you want me to do?